guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. As you guys can see, today's video is going to be a little bit wide, and there's a reason for that. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different where I'm testing out the Galaxy S10 and the wide angle for use for vlogging, for use for YouTube, for use for photography, everything wide angle. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but not a lot of them really show the whole YouTube vlogging kind of style with it. So that's what I'm bringing you guys here. So if you're liking the video so far, go ahead and let me know down below. Smash that like button. So currently right now, I'm just kind of walking on this trail. It looks like this from my view. And this is what the wide angle looks like. Now I'm walking and there is no stabilization for super wide. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit shaky, but for the most part, quality looks pretty good. Now I only have the Galaxy S10. I don't have the S10 Plus or the S10e. I do have what I would consider the better of the three, which is just the basic Galaxy S10. But I'm liking it so far. You know, it looks pretty good. Colors are pretty on point for the most part. A little bit contrasty. But overall, I think it looks like a very nice image. You know, if you're going on YouTube, you're filming videos like this, you know, yes, if you're spinning like this, it might look a little bit weird, but overall, I mean, the wide angle is pretty good. Now, I am using the built-in microphone, so this is also an audio test to see what it sounds like using this phone. So pay attention to the wide angle, pay attention to the audio, pay attention to everything about this device, because basically this video is testing it out in all aspects. Now, currently, the settings that I have on the camera right now, mostly everything's auto, but I do have a set quality of 1080p because I don't really need to film in 4K. I do have the space to do it on this phone, but really, most everything's 1080p anyways. So if you guys are wondering the distance that I'm shooting at right now, I'm at a full arm's length. If I were to go about halfway, looks like this. If I go all the way to my face, looks like this. So that, guys, gives you a little bit of context as to just how far the camera is away from my face and how far you'd have to have it to vlog with it. So guys, for those of you wondering how far away the camera is right now from me, it's at a full arm's length. If I go about halfway, it looks like this. If I go all the way up to my face, looks like this. Also, another thing to mention is that currently I'm staring at the cameras on the back of the phone, so the front of the phone faces away from you. The reason for that is the super wide lens is only on the back of the phone. So one of the things I'm finding when vlogging with this phone is that you have to keep the phone extremely horizontal. Like if you go a little bit turning towards vertical, it will switch to vertical mode. So just go ahead and keep that in mind when you are vlogging with this setup right here. Like I've been saying, it is a really good camera. It is a really good camera to do vlogs with, YouTube, whatever you want to do. So guys, this will pretty much wrap up what it looks like for a vlog style of shooting on the S10. For YouTube 2019, 2020, whatever year it is you're watching this, you know, it will be a very good camera for all of those years. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the video up by showing you guys a couple of different clips also using the wide angle lens.
It's a tug of war, battling to keep my sanity. Say no more, say no more. I love you, but I can't keep killing me. I look at myself, I wonder why you don't recognize who you traumatize me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go. Let your heart break sometimes. It's better to leave behind.
So guys, this pretty much wraps up testing the S10 for use for vlogging, YouTube, 2019, 2020, whatever it may be, the use of the camera in the ultra wide lens. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, red button right down below, turn on post notifications too, so you don't miss when I post. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.